Hi there. These days, people spend more time looking at their smartphones than they do computers. Mobile devices allow people to stay constantly connected and are helping them become smarter, savvier shoppers. Smart businesses are catching on and putting more effort into reaching these potential customers through mobile advertising. In this video, we'll talk about the benefits of mobile-specific marketing and its many opportunities. We'll also cover a few things you should consider when taking this approach to advertising. Advertising to users on mobile devices can help you achieve a lot of different things. For example, mobile advertising can help you get more phone calls and inquiries, or drive more people into your shop or website. It can also get more people to download your mobile app. But here's where it really gets interesting. Mobile advertising gives you a lot of unique opportunities to connect with people while they're using their mobiles. For instance, you can target potential customers based on their location, or offer them useful tools like click-to-call ads. Your business approach to mobile advertising will depend a lot on your specific audience and your overall business goals. Let's look at a few places where you can target your mobile audience. First, your website can show up in search results. And you can also run ads that appear when people search key terms related to your business or industry. Say you're a plumber and you want to target homeowners who might need your services. Your search ads might appear when people search terms like plumbers near me or kitchen sink clogged. Try to focus on shorter keywords and phrases mobile users might search. Remember, many people are all thumbs when it comes to typing on their phone. They're not searching the same way they do on a computer. They're much less likely to search for detailed, long phrases. You can also use display ads to target people who are browsing mobile sites. The ads can appear in text, image, or video form on those websites. Since mobile ads are naturally small, they should present a strong, concise message with a clear call to action. You can even advertise to people while they are using mobile apps. For example, if you wanted more people in your local area to know about your plumbing services, you could post ads inside apps like Yelp or Which, where customers leave reviews. While there are many opportunities within mobile advertising, there's also a few important things you should consider before investing money. Running brilliant ads is only half the battle. It's equally important to have a mobile-friendly website, or your impressive ads on Google or Facebook could still fall flat. Because your mobile ads will send people to a site that hasn't been optimized for their device, leaving them with a less than stellar customer experience. Also, remember that not all mobile devices are the same. So another useful trick is customizing ads. That way, they'll work well across a variety of screens. One way to do this is to use short, clear text in your ads. You can also use what are called ad extensions. These are special features that will help people call you, or get directions to your shop's address. These features will automatically resize themselves to best fit any device. So that's mobile advertising. Just remember, these days, people are using their mobiles more than ever. So it's important to think about how you can reach them while they're using those devices. You can advertise on search results, other websites, social networks, or even within apps. To get the most out of your ads, you'll want to have a well-considered overall approach to marketing on mobile devices. If you stick with us, we'll cover the world of mobile advertising in much more detail. Thank you for watching. You are incredible.